Let's unbox some fall, everyone. Hi, this is Gleeza Made with Glee. In this video, I'm participating in the Fall Unboxing and Decorating Challenge collaboration being hosted by Cheryl from iStyle Design, Karen from Everyday Living with Karen Jeter, and Miss Cheryl's Place. Now, of course, unboxing and decorating for fall is something I'm going to do anyway. So I decided why not participate in this collaboration because it is Saturday. I have a little bit of free time. I want to get back into normalcy and I want to start decorating for fall. Now, I am very hesitant to do anything outdoors just because we may have to go through this whole hurricane nonsense again. So I'm just gonna do inside decor, and I went into my guest room. This is where we're at, and this is my box of fall decor, and we're gonna open it and see what we can possibly use today. I'm not gonna go full out fall decorating, but I will be doing some of it. So now in my box, the first thing I see here, I have some garlands, ribbon, ooh, and I'm stuck on it, florals, lots of florals, a whole bunch of florals. We have some of these Dollar Tree lights in here. Ooh, you guys, this is actually a feather flower that accidentally fell into my wax melt warmer and now it's hard and it still smells like the vanilla wax melt that I was using the day that this fell in. So this is actually, it wasn't used at all last year, but it's in this box, and this box really smells really good. So this is a total accident, but I kind of like how it turned out. So we have that, lots of florals. We have this wreath floral ring. I made this last year for the fall or Thanksgiving tablescape challenge that was hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. So this is from that challenge. So I'll definitely be using this again. I actually like this. It's really cute. Hey, picture. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so there's that. More pics. More florals. These are kind of orangey. I'm not sure what I did with these last year, but we have these. Candle rings. Big old floppy thingy bow. We're gonna have to work on this bow and get it back into shape. More candle rings. We have lots of these gourds and pumpkins. I don't know if I'm going to pull them all out, but there's a lot of those there. Pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, the burlap ones from last year. The little owl, also from the Dollar Tree last year. The pumpkins with the florals, also from the Dollar Tree last year. But we actually have some Thanksgiving stuff in here too. Here is our grocery store, Publix, sells these seasonally. It's the Pilgrim, and they also have like a Santa. So there's a Mrs. Pilgrim somewhere in this box, but here's Mr. Pilgrim. He's they're a pair of salt and pepper shakers. Also in my box, and this again was made last year, this is a felt wreath. As I've been sharing with you guys that I'm making a felt stocking. It's the same premise. You're cutting out the little pieces, sequins and beads and embellish. And these are like stuffed with polyfill to give it a little bit of dimension. And this is the back of it. So you have a little tiny string for it to hang. And again, this is my fall felt wreath. Lots and lots of florals, you guys. Okay, I think this was part of my centerpiece for Kenya's decor This is like in the middle of the bowl, and that's why you can see the styrofoam and the rest wasn't showing with the leaves on top. So I'm not sure how I'm going to be using that this year, but that's the kind of stuff that's in here. More gourds and pumpkins. Happy Fall Rock. The Little Owl salt and pepper shakers, also from the Dollar Tree. Another floral pick. And then we have this. This is actually like a terracotta pot with a saucer that I made into a candle holder, and I painted just with leaves. So what I would do, now the candle ring is somewhere here. I saw it, I know I did. We'll get to it, but a candle ring could sit on top with a candle, and that would be a decor item. So this is really simple, something you guys could make. You could probably decoupage with napkins, fall themed napkins, but here I just hand painted the leaves and acorns on. What else do we have in here? More florals. Ooh, a smaller version of the wreath that I upgraded for fall. So this one is probably going to need some upgrading again. This can also be used as a candle ring, a centerpiece, I'm not sure, but it's also out of the box. Here is Mrs. Pilgrim. There's a big pile of stuff in front of me now, you guys. Ooh. The other salt and pepper shaker, the owl. We have a turkey plate. I'm getting into Thanksgiving stuff here too, so this is all my fall indoor decor. So it's both just general fall and also for Thanksgiving. More pumpkins. What else is in here? We have a large green one. It's like a candy dish. And look, there's another pumpkin hidden inside. So that's that. Hold on. I'm trying not to make anything fall. My leaf plate. I've used this many times, even for like summer and stuff. I don't know how it ended up in this box, but leaf plates, and these are like from the dollar store. The leaf plates also, or leaf bowls. We have this, what does it say? A season of thanks. It's like a wall hanging with like, these are magnets that you can stick on. Another fall sign. Also from the Dollar Tree last year. I believe they're back this year, this particular sign. Another candle ring. The pilgrims as napkin holder for your paper napkins. These little candles also from the Dollar Tree. And then I have only 2 of these placemats. I don't know why I only have 2, but I only have 2 of these placemats. Grateful, yes, they both say grateful on them. There's only 2 of those. Another sign from the Dollar Tree. And then we have a stack of plates that I bought last year but didn't use after clearance. After Thanksgiving clearance, I got these for a really affordable price. So it's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I have 6 of these plates, and that's it. My box is empty. So I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna see about decorating something for you guys, and we'll go from there. Okay everyone, this is my little tiny bit of decor that I came and decorated with. This is on my coffee table downstairs. Not too much decorating going on as of yet. I just have a little pillow out, a couple little areas, but I am glad I was able to unbox and see all the things that I currently have on hand so I can have an idea of where I'm going to be putting them and what I will be doing. Right now I just have my 2 placemats, the pumpkin candy dish, which I will fill with some mints because this is like a table that we all hang around, some of the gourds, and an LED candle which is on timer. So that's pretty much everything on this table. Thank you to Miss Cheryl's Place, Karen Jeter, and Cheryl from iStyle Design for the fun collaboration. I will actually link for you guys the video from last year when I participated in Kenya's Decor Corner, her tablescape, so you can see how I used most of those items last year. So when I redecorate this year, you'll see how I use them perhaps in new ways. So thank you again everyone for watching, liking, and subscribing. I will link the ladies' channels below as well as the playlist so you can get some more fall decorating ideas. Have a wonderful day everyone. Bye!